What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today, and as you guys know, I'm doing a daily update as always during stock market days. But before we get into what I traded today and how much money I made and everything like that, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could click the like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoy my content. That's all I really asked for. Thank you guys, and let's get into it. So I was trading, the only stock I was trading today was UWT, and I didn't buy too many shares of it because I wasn't overly confident trading it without any day trades left. Because for those who don't know, I used up all 3 of my day trades last week, and I'm supposed to get them back only on Wednesday. So I have to wait until the next day to sell. So I didn't want to load in a bunch of money and have the stock fall back down and crash down the next day. So that's why I just put in 5 shares at around 14.24, and I'm hoping to sell tomorrow morning pre-market hours because I see that UWT is looking to start to reverse downward right now. This is the spot where it usually bounces. It's like the middle resistance line. So everyone, the only things I'm looking to trade at the beginning of this week so far are just going to be UWT and DWT because they keep switching off every day. Well, almost every day, one goes up, they're inverse of each other. So one goes up and the other one goes down. Let's say tomorrow, UWT will start showing signs of an uptrend. Then I'll just buy in DWT, hold it, sell it the next day, and then buy UWT. If it continues the pattern, then why not reap the benefits of 5 to 8% on a stock every day? What's wrong with this? The only thing is that I don't have day trades, which makes it a little bit more risky because I can't get out of the position if it goes haywire. So that's basically it. I'm just going to be trading this week UWT and DWT. And if you guys have any stock recommendations or anything, please just put in the comment section below. I read every single one of those comments, and I try to reply to all of them. And that's all for today's video. Today's the first day of the week, so we can't really say this week. So I'm up 0.3%, which is 50 cents. Not much, but if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you guys can hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out a ton. And I also created a Discord server where everyone can just talk about stocks and what they're trading and everything like that, share their profits. And if you'd like to join that, there's going to be a link in the description. So make sure you join that. That's it for today, guys, and I hope you have a fantastic day.